Hi guys, it's Hani here. Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to the very first royal wedding cookie decorating tutorial here on HANIELA'S. The royal wedding is the most anticipated event of the year, and with this grand spectacle wedding only a few days away, I wanted to celebrate, so I decided to create a really cute royal wedding cookie design, and I hope you guys will enjoy it. So let's get started. For this cookie design, I decided to use a diamond ring cookie cutter. Here I'm using edible marker and a small round cutter to trace the outline for the inner circle. Using edible marker, dividing the cookie into sections. We're going to start with dark ivory royal icing, outlining the inner circle and then also outer circle. I'm going to let that crust for about 5-10 minutes and then we can start with red stripes. Now take dark blue royal icing and fill in the sections between. Use icing that is about 20 or anywhere between 15 to 20 second consistency. Use your needle tool to shape the icing while still wet. I'm going to let this dry and then we're going to add white lines across, and I'm going to dust the surface with white sanding sugar. Now take the sanding sugar and dust it, and your flag is finished, and we're going to work on the crown. So I'm using again edible marker, drawing the crown on the cookie, and then we're going to use piping consistency dark ivory royal icing, and I am using a piping tip number 2. Add a gold silver pearl or dragée and then continue with the crown. Now take 15 to 20 second consistency ivory royal icing and flood the bottom section. Use your needle tool to shape the icing while still wet. Let it crust and then take red royal icing and fill the sections between like so. Use your needle tool to shape the icing. Now take ivory royal icing again and pipe the dots. Let it dry completely, and then using edible gold luster dust mixed with alcohol or extract, I am using lemon extract, we're going to paint the edges and a crown. Ideally, you could paint the edges before you flood the ring with blue and red, but you have to wait for it to dry. I didn't have enough time for it to dry, so I'm doing it afterwards. And now we're gonna paint the crown. And here are the finished royal wedding cookies. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to let me know what you think in a comment section down below. And are you guys watching the wedding or are you skipping it? Let me know as well in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.